In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy, paste, and detach a component instance. This quick workflow is great when you want to start from a reusable building block and then customize it without affecting the original design system. Begin by selecting the component you want to reuse and copy the component. Using your editor's standard copy command will capture the instance along with its constraints, layout settings, and any overrides it already has. Copying the instance ensures you're working with a faithful duplicate that behaves the same way until you decide to break the link. Navigate to the exact place in your canvas or frame where you want the new element to appear. Right-click to open the context menu, then click on Paste here. This is important because Paste here positions the item precisely at your cursor and inside the correct parent frame or group, which helps preserve responsive behavior and keeps your layers organized. It prevents surprises like the element dropping into the wrong frame or snapping to the center of the viewport. If you're working within nested frames or complex layouts, placing it directly with Paste here saves cleanup time later. With the newly pasted instance selected, right-click on it to open the menu again and click on Detach Instance. Detaching converts that instance into regular layers and breaks its link to the original component. From this point on, changes you make to this element are fully independent, and updates to the main component won't override your edits. This is exactly what you want when creating a one-off variation, exploring a custom state, or making structural tweaks that the base component wasn't designed to handle. A few practical notes as you work. Detaching is a deliberate choice. Once detached, that object stops receiving improvements from the master. If you anticipate future updates from your design system, keep at least one untouched instance nearby and detach only the version you plan to customize. After detaching, consider renaming key layers so they're easy to find, and be mindful of nested instances. Some parts may still be linked until you detach those individually. Detach only what you truly need so you continue benefiting from component consistency elsewhere. That's the entire flow. Copy the component, right-click where you want it, choose Paste here for precise placement, then right-click on the new element and select Detach Instance to make it independent. With these steps, you can move quickly, stay organized, and tailor components to your exact needs without disrupting the original system.